You see, there's one incident that was really like very unforgettable. Syempre alam ko na nandyan si Michelle. So I said, okay, I'm willing to wait. Because I waited, there were a lot of times where whenever we're together, Michelle kept calling. But whenever she calls, there are times that he would, go farther from me. But if you're inside the car driving, you cannot go down. If you're in the middle of the road, right? So, tumawag si Michelle, and then Michelle asked the question, katabi mo ba? Katabi mo daw ba ako? Is she beside you? Am I beside Danny? So sabi ni Danny, because I'm on the passenger seat, Danny's on the wheel, and so sabi ni Danny, oo, katabi ko. Pabulong. Nahihiya siya sa akin. But if you're in the car, even if you whisper, rinig na rinig mo yung nasa receiver, at rinig na rinig mo yung nagsasalita, right? So, did you ever imagine how I was feeling that time? I was so ready for whatever I'm gonna hear. Because it did not happen just once. It happened many, many times. But when God said, you have to forgive and you have to be hurt-free, each day, I practiced forgiveness. So whenever when I hear something, I choose to forgive. So when Danny said, oh, katabi ko, sabi niya, gusto ko sabihin mo, I love you. Dahil nahihiya si Danny at submissive siya, sabi niya, I love you. Rinig na rinig ko yan. Loud and clear. It did not end there. Michelle said, gusto ko mas malakas. Dahil masunurin siya, sinabi niya talaga, I love you. This time with a sound. Did they stop there? They did not stop there. For the third time, Michelle said, gusto ko pinakamalakas. So Danny really said, I love you. The loudest. The loudest. So it's like telling me, I am in love with her and I don't love you anymore. What did I do?